Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color can be seen in the feathers of the flycatcher bird. This color is produced by mixing red and a small amount of yellow, resulting in a bright, warm hue. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Vermilion, vermilion, vermilion. Vermilion is crucial in the context of art and design, helping artists to create vibrant and striking visuals. It's a color often used in paintings and illustrations to convey energy and warmth. If you enjoyed learning about vermilion, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.